Blessed be everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a golden or yellow calcite and working with the qualities of this amazing gemstone. But before we dive into that, hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you're stuck knowing where to start your witchcraft practice, have a look at my free video called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. It's free. The link is in the description field below this video, and it just shows you where you can begin your practice and how you can pace your learning along the way. So today I've chosen a calcite crystal because calcite not only has amazing energy and beautiful energy, it's also one of the more affordable gemstones that you can buy because it is rather plentiful. And today I wanted to work with the solar plexus chakra and working with the yellow calcite or golden calcite as it's also known. So when you balance this chakra, you are tapping into your power center, and this helps enliven your self-esteem. It will improve your self-esteem to a healthy level. It will help you with your confidence and more discernment and your mental abilities, and also help you attract more of the things you want to attract to you because you are more confident and you are confidently taking actions that you need to take in order to have the type of success that you're wanting to have. So even though this chakra and the yellow color and this particular gemstone isn't focused on relationships, for example, when you are confident in yourself and when you have courage and you have drive and you have the motivation, then it makes it easier for you to attract the people you want to attract into your life. It makes it easier for you to attract the prosperity that you want to attract into your life, and even can help you attract more health into your life. So while it may not be directly related to some of the things you may want, meditating on using this with this particular gemstone can help you indirectly with any of those things. But if you are looking for more wealth and more prosperity, this is definitely the color to use. You can use a calcite ball like I've got here. You could use a calcite point. You could even use just a tumbled stone or just some raw calcite. It doesn't really matter what shape or form it's in. Just make sure that it's of a reasonable size. It doesn't have to be as big as this ball. It can be much smaller, but you want it to be big enough that you can feel the energy, because all you're doing is you're going to absorb the energy and allow that energy to also be enhanced around you. Balls are good for this because they do exude the energy around them completely, whereas a point is going to focus that energy more in a particular direction. But when you're meditating, you can pretty much use whatever shape you want because you're going to be absorbing it into your body as well. So get comfortable. You can either be in the lotus position on the ground, or you can sit in a chair to do this. If you're used to meditating, just do whatever you need to do to get into a meditative state of mind. If you're not used to meditating, then hold your crystal in your left hand. You can place your right hand underneath and just holding it on your lap. I'll just hold mine a little higher for the sake of the video. And just taking a deep breath in and letting it out. Taking a nice deep breath in and letting it out. Taking a nice deep breath in and letting it out. And as you let that breath out, just focus on your body. Focus on what parts of your body are in contact with the floor or the chair. Just focusing on the parts of your hand that are in contact with the crystal. And just focusing on your physical awareness of your body. And then just focus your awareness on the space around your body. Focusing on the space between you and whatever objects may be close to you. They may be walls, there could be furniture. Just sense the space between you and those objects. Now just grounding your energy, imagine that you do have roots like a tree going down into the ground. If you're seated, those roots are stemming from your feet down into the ground. And if you're sitting in a lotus position, those roots are coming from your tailbone down into the ground. And just feeling into that energy grounding down into the earth. And then just focus your energy on the palm of your hand that is holding the crystal. And feel the weight of the crystal in the palm of your hand. And now just tune into the energy of the crystal. Just feel into that yellow light. You may get a sense of light coming from the crystal. You may get a feeling, a buzz or a tingling sensation. You may even hear the crystal. And just allow the energy to move through the palm of your hand, up your arm, and down into your body. And just focusing on drawing some of that energy from the crystal into your body and focusing on the solar plexus area. And the solar plexus is just above the navel area. And then also focus on how the crystal itself is radiating energy. And with the warmth of your body and with your focus, you can help that crystal exude energy even more out around your body. Now, the bigger the crystal, the more area it is going to be able to cover. And just feel it radiating around your body. You may feel it radiating around your hands. It really just depends on the power of the crystal itself and the size of the crystal. Now just focus on feeling the energy, seeing the energy. You're all going to have different experiences depending on where your strengths are and how you perceive energy. Some of you will have visions, others of you will hear things, some of you will feel things, others may taste things. I have a tendency to taste when it comes to calcite. For some reason, calcite seems to enliven my taste sense, which normally doesn't come out on its own. You may even smell something. And just allow the energy to be there. You can encourage the crystal to exude more energy by just focusing on giving it a little energy push through the palms of your hands. And just focus your intention on the energy growing. And then you can breathe this energy in. Breathing it in as you would breathe in a scent. And just feeling it going down into your solar plexus as you breathe it in. You can breathe it in through your nose. You can breathe in the energy through the pores of your skin. And you can still suck that energy out through the palm of your hand as well. And just enjoy the feeling. You don't need to focus this energy outwards in any way. You're just trying to enliven this energy within yourself. And try to spend as long as you can just enjoying this energy and being one with it. And when you feel that you've had enough, you can thank the crystal and put it down, and you're done. So you could do this meditation every day. You can do this meditation with various different types of crystals for various different properties, or to work with the chakras. This is a really great one to start with because it is so powerful in regards to your self-esteem and your self-confidence, and so many of the obstacles that may be in your way to having happy relationships, happy finances, health, is often related to self-esteem and confidence. So have fun with that. Let me know in the comments field how you go. And if you do want to know how you can start your witchcraft practice, have a look at the video, how to start your witchcraft practice, in the description field below this video. And I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Blessed be.